Dozens of protesters from various organizations staged a demonstration near the Pakistan embassy in Kathmandu on April 26th, accusing Pakistan of harboring terrorism and orchestrating targeted attacks on Hindus in Pahalgam earlier this week. The protesters also set fire to a photo of the Pakistani army chief and tore the Pakistani flag, expressing their frustration and anger.
अब हामी सबै नेपालीहरु एकजुट भएर यस्ताका विरुद्धहरुमा हामीले चाहिँ आवाज उठाउनु पर्छ भन्ने लागेको भएर हामी आज यहाँ आएका छौं यति भन्दै
Protesters, including members of the Rashtriya Prajatantra Party, demonstrated near the Pakistani embassy in Kathmandu, chanting anti-Pakistan slogans. They accused Pakistan of harboring terrorists and demanded action over the killing of a Nepali citizen. Police blocked their approach, while protesters alleged deliberate targeting of Hindus during the recent incident.
यो स्पष्ट रूपमा चाहिँ हिन्दूलाई सोधेर जसरी त हिन्दू होस् कि धर्म के हो भनेर सोधेर जसरी चाहिँ हत्या गरेको छ यो चाहिँ हिन्दूहरुलाई हेप्ने काम हिन्दूहरुलाई पेल्ने काम गरेको जस्तो छ म अब भारतले आफ्नो एक्सन लिइराछ तर नेपाल सरकारले के भन्छ भने नेपाल सरकारले पनि जसरी भारत सरकारले एक्सन लिइरहेको छ त्यसैगरी नेपाल सरकारले पनि एक्सन लिनु पर्यो
Tensions rose in Kathmandu after Pakistani terrorists killed 26 people, including Nepali citizen Sudeep Neopane in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir. Protesters near the Pakistani embassy chanted slogans, blocked roads and burned images of the Pakistani army chief. In response to the April 22nd attack, India revoked most visas of Pakistani nationals effective April 27th, except for long-term, diplomatic and medical visas.